Hi, Puppy here. This is Kill Another Project for Me, Episode 1. There's something I'm thinking I'd like to do as a project. But before I do, I'm going to post this video challenging all the YouTubers out there to show me a catalog page or the actual item, or catalog page, or just even tell me, yeah, Starrett made one of them. I've been thinking I would like to manufacture a set of radius-edged adjustable parallels. Okay, you got your adjustable parallel. They've got nice square edges. Great for square slots, right? No good if you got them inside an ID. But if they had radiused edges, so that when you slide down and tighten one of them screws, and you come in there with your measuring tool, you know that you're not getting a false reading because you're hitting a corner. Anyway, does someone or did someone make radius-edged adjustable parallels? I want to remember Starrett having made some long ago, but that's wishful thinking and bad rewiring after a stroke. So tell you how bad my stroke was. I think I'm living in America. Anyway, kill another project before I have to get into it and find someone did it and I can buy off the shelf for less than I spend for the raw materials to make it, please. Radius-edged adjustable parallels. Post the video. Show me one. Catalog page.